In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're giving your website a fresh new look or just spicing up a particular section with a splash of color, you'll find that Weebly makes this process straightforward and intuitive. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to the official Weebly website. Once you've arrived at Weebly's homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. If you haven't already created a Weebly account, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you have an account, just locate and click on the Sign In button. It's usually in the top right corner of the page. After you successfully log in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage your sites and settings. To proceed, click on Website from the dashboard menu, and then select Edit Site. This will take you into Weebly's editor, where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Weebly editor, take a moment to look at the layout of your website. Decide which section you want to change the background color for. You could choose the header, content area, or even the footer. Simply click on the specific section you wish to modify. When you click on a section, you'll see an option to Edit Background appear for that part of your site. This option is your gateway to changing the background color, so go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll be presented with a few different background choices: image, color, gradient, and video. To change the background color, you'll want to select the color option from these choices. Now for the fun part, picking the color. You'll see a color picker tool that allows you to visually select the color you want. You can drag the circle across the spectrum bar to find a color family and then fine-tune the exact shade by moving within the color gradient field. If you already have a specific color in mind, you can enter its hex code directly into the provided field for a precise match. Remember, after tweaking and finding the perfect color, you should preview your changes. Simply click Preview to see how your new background looks on the live site. If everything looks as you envisioned, the final step is to click Publish. This will update your site so that it reflects the changes for all your viewers to enjoy. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've successfully changed the background color in Weebly. You can continue experimenting with different sections and colors to give your entire site a cohesive and striking look. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!